In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Reviews are one of the fastest ways to build trust, improve your search visibility, and turn browsers into buyers. I'll walk you through choosing the right app, installing it, placing the widgets on your product pages, matching the design to your brand, and setting up automatic review requests so the process runs on autopilot. First, choose a review app. Shopify's built-in reviews are limited, so an app is the way to go. Judge.me is a great all around choice for text, photo, and even video reviews. If your brand leans on visuals, Luke shines with photo-centric social proof. If you're just getting started and want something simple and free, Shopify product reviews can work. Pick the one that fits your needs, features, and budget. Next, install the app. From your Shopify admin, head to Apps, search for the app you selected, then click Install App. Approve the requested permissions and complete any quick setup prompts the app provides. Most apps guide you through the basics so you're ready to add widgets right away. Now add review widgets to your product pages, go to online store, then themes, and click customize. Switch to the product page view to edit a real product template. In the left panel, open product information. To display star ratings near your product title, click Add Block and select the app's star rating badge, then place it just under the title. To show full reviews further down the page, scroll and click Add Section, then choose the app's review widget. This section will display all submitted reviews and often includes a form for new submissions. Customize the design so it blends with your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout inside the theme editor or the app's design settings. Aim for consistent star colors, readable text, and spacing that doesn't crowd your product details. When you're happy with placement and style, click Save to publish the changes live on your store. Set up automatic review requests to keep fresh feedback coming in. Open your review app's dashboard, enable review request emails, and set the timing. A good starting point is 7 to 14 days after delivery, which gives customers time to use the product and write something meaningful. If widgets don't appear, use the optional advanced method. Copy the app's liquid or HTML snippet and paste it into your product.liquid file as directed by the app. With that, your store now features automated product reviews with clear star ratings, boosting trust, SEO, and conversions, no heavy coding required. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.